Hey everyone, how's it going? A big welcome to another video. Happy New Year. So in this video, I will be giving practical advice which comes from my own experience, and this goes for mainly for inexperienced and younger chess players. So this is a mistake that I have done myself in the past, and this mistake is when between the rounds in a rapid, a blitz, or even in a classical tournament which has 2 or 3 games a day, but particularly in a rapid or a blitz tournament, you should not be playing friendly blitz games with the new friends you made or with some previous friends that you had from before and waste your energy. What you can do though is when other people play friendly games between them, you can go close by and watch from some distance, but watch the games and try to see what openings they play, because they could be giving away their openings and you can know what to expect from them if you get paired with them in the rounds later on. You can play as many games as you want after the last round is over, because then everything has been decided, so it doesn't matter, and you can have fun and make new friends after the last round is over, definitely. Yes. So, of course, if you go and watch other players to see what openings they're playing in their friendly games, then you should take into account that they might be playing different openings in the friendly games and different openings in the serious games. That should be taken into consideration. However, more times than not, they might be playing exactly the same, especially if they are younger players and inexperienced players. So it would be beneficial if you can go have a look, if you want to, of course, so that you know what to expect from them if you play them again. In general, my advice would be that your energy is finite, so you should use it wisely. You should not be playing friendly games between the rounds. And also, another mistake is you shouldn't be waiting till the last round finishes. If your game has finished, you can go to the toilet, you can get something to eat, you can relax, and you can get ready for the next game. Because especially in a blitz tournament, if there are like 15 games in one day, you need every little bit of energy to be preserved. So it's very important to use your energy wisely. This is a mistake that I have done myself, and I would highly advise you not to do it. Now, if you are a competitive chess player and you want to fund your chess progress, which can have many expenses, such as transport if you're traveling to a tournament, accommodation if it's not a one-day event, and if you're serious about your progress in chess, you might be interested to hire a coach or to invest in chess books and courses. Then if that's the case, you might be interested in starting a side hustle that can enable you to earn an income online along with your 9-to-5 job. If that's the case, you can go to the link in the description, insert your name and email, and watch my free introductory training, where you will learn the 3 secrets my mentors use to generate a consistent income online and how you can do it too, even if you have no previous experience, qualifications, or no product to sell. If you're a subscriber, I will catch you at the next video. Thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.